This video, I am going to guide you on how to update your email on the HomeAdvisor app. Updating your email ensures you receive important notifications and updates without any hassle. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the HomeAdvisor app on your mobile device. 2. Log into your account using your current email address and password. 3. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left or bottom right corner. 4. Select account settings or a similar option from the menu. 5. Look for the email address field under personal or contact information. 6. Tap on the email field and enter your new email address. 7. Save the changes by selecting update or save. 8. Check your new email inbox for a confirmation message and verify your email. Following these steps will ensure your email is successfully updated on the HomeAdvisor app. Always verify the updated email to avoid access issues.